Hello everyone. After explaining the principles and key points of the law of attraction, today we begin our law of attraction challenges. In this series of challenges, I will use the 9 experiments from the book E Squared. Each challenge has a different duration, and in this video series, I will explain each experiment and provide the steps for the experiment. Today, we will conduct the first experiment of the law of attraction, the dude abides principle. There is an invisible energy force or field of infinite possibilities.
In this experiment, we will spend 48 hours looking for evidence of the universally abundant and loving energy field FP that exists in the universe. We will also request an unexpected gift from FP to see if it responds to our request.
Experiment principle.
First, we need to adjust our perception of FP. Instead of viewing it as a mysterious force beyond reach, we should imagine it as accessible as electrical energy. Think about it, when we use electrical energy, we never worry about whether our performance is good enough, or if we deserve to use it. We don't feel uneasy about turning on a light switch, nor do we feel guilty about plugging in a toaster. FP is the same. It is impartial and available to anyone at any time, just like electrical energy.
All we need to do is clarify our intentions and firmly believe that FP will respond to our requests. Therefore, in this experiment, we will not worry about whether we qualify or deserve it. What we need to do is boldly issue a command to FP and believe that it will surprise us in unexpected ways. Experiment steps.
In this experiment, you need to spend 48 hours looking for evidence of this well-known, perfect FP. Fortunately, FP exists in all places. You can use 48 hours to verify the law of attraction, and you can request a blessing from FP, which I will call an unexpected gift. You can give it 48 hours to bring you a gift that you wouldn't normally receive, such as a surprising email, a card from an old friend, or a gift you never anticipated. You don't need to specifically name the blessing. The specific blessing will be discussed in the 4th experiment, but you need to make a request and give a definite deadline. As I have always emphasized, the reason for giving a deadline is that it will be easier to recognize the gift during the identification process.
After making the request, we need to keep an open mind to FP's response. FP may respond to our request in various ways, such as
receiving an unexpected email or card, meeting someone who can help us, finding a new job or opportunity. For the next 48 hours, we need to pay close attention to what happens around us. Any unexpected events or gifts could be FP's response to our request.
Precautions.
During this experiment, we need to maintain a positive and optimistic mindset. If we are full of doubts about FP's response, it will be difficult to receive a response. We need to be patient with FP's response. FP may not respond to our request immediately, but it will certainly respond in the most unexpected way.
Are you ready now? Let's conduct the first experiment of the law of attraction together and see what surprises FP will bring us. Write in the comments, "Hey FP, give you 48 hours to show some signs of existence." There is a Google Doc file of the lab report below for you to record the experiment results. All you have to do is spend the next 2 days looking for evidence of this abundant, loving energy field FP that exists in the universe. Expect to see signs of it all around you. Be open to receiving unexpected gifts and blessings. Start now and pay close attention to what happens around you. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share to someone who needs it. If you have any questions or suggestions or want to share your experiment results, please leave a comment down below. See you in the next challenge. Until next time, take care.